Hello, hello, hello. We are live. So let me just change the part. Okay, this would be part 8. Save. Are we live? Guys, stream could not be created. Try again. Dropped frames. Hello, are we live? Wait, guys, let me just open the YouTube stream on my mobile so that I can see what's really happening there. What? I think there is some. Okay, we are live. Let me just. Can I reload this? Let's reduce the quality over here real quick. Oh no, I made a 140. Okay, okay. Here we are. So what we were trying to do yesterday was we were trying to implement this. Yeah, so we will do the same today. There is not cursor pointer. So how to do that? We will go to that gr close and we will say cursor pointer save. Now if we click this, now this is cursor pointer. Yeah, so what we were trying to do is when user clicks on this, he can check that whether this route is available or not. To implement that, also this will only be clickable if there is any changes, otherwise we will not send the request to the backend. To do that, first what we are doing here is there is a function that will run on button. This is the handle check route name. Yeah, this is the button that is being run. So inside this button we have this try catch block which we commented because it was throwing error as we have not completely. Wait a second, till here let's uncomment it. What we are doing here is we are just creating a try catch block, and if there is an error we are showing error checking availability. Okay, now we also need a state. I will tell you why. This state will um, keep the values is available, comma, set is available. This will be a use state, and by default this will be false. Yeah, and also is available false. Okay, is the spelling is correct, is available. Okay, what we will do is available. By default it should be true. No, it should not be true. Hmm. Okay, whatever. So we will run this function, and this will um, send a request to the API slash check availability. This is the route we created earlier. What this route is doing, it's just taking the route name, connecting to the DB, and finding if there is any existing document with this route name. If there is no route, then it says it's available. Otherwise, it says no, there is some problem. So we are doing this, and inside here we are storing that thing in a variable called response. So we will check if response dot response dot data. Oh, obviously we need to await this. Oh, where we are changing the things. We shouldn't be here. We should be here. Sorry. Okay. We this is awaited. Response dot data dot data dot status. First, let's just console this to check what we have. Hmm, log, and inside this we will log the response. Let's just save this, and while clicking this, let's just open the inspect console. Let's just empty this and like obviously check. Oh, it's reloading the component that I didn't want it. What happened? Why it loaded the whole component? Handle check route name const await APIs. Let's check again. I don't know. Why it's reloading the whole component? Mm, I need to look for it. What might be the issue? Let's see if there is coming something. Failed to get source map API slash fetch. Oh, there is it. Obviously, null 200. Okay, so the issue might be with the way we are trying to send this. That's not how we send it. So let's make a form data. Form data is equals to new form form data, and what we can do is form data dot append. Here should be the value route name, and this should be route name. What's the issue? Oh, there should be a comma, not colon. Okay, and instead of creating this object, we will just say form data. That should work. If this do this, and let's just send the obviously check what happened. Okay, control C, there is some error. Syntax, no number after minus sign injection at position 1. Okay, so it is unable to parse it. So the basically error is here. um is it keep sending the requests? No. Check availability, there are a lot of requests. um Error is here, somewhere here. We are not parsing it or what? JSON dot parse request dot JSON. Okay, can we do this? mm. Oh, but that's already the thing. Okay, I know where the issue is. The issue is here only, the way we are sending the data. So how to fix this? We would have made similar API routes, we can check them. Okay, here we are just, oh, request dot form data is a thing. Okay, we will just copy this. This is the form data which we get inside if we are using the next check availability. And let's just say delete, and we are already in the insert mode. We can say const route name is equals to form data dot get. We already need to give the name of it, route name. Are we doing right? Form data dot get as a string we have to say. Okay, but that though he will do na. Yeah, this becomes the string, and I guess now everything should be good. Hmm. Request dot form data, form data dot get. This is awaited. Let's just close this. Let's just save this, and let's try once again. Is that solved? Okay, let's just send it for the obviously check. This is pending. 2000 preview payload headers. What is the preview? I didn't even get the console. Why it gets reloaded? Mm, because of this, maybe, but we are not calling it any. Are we using use effects? What's changing? Mm, let's just format this first. Okay, I didn't mean to format this because I like this the way it is. Wait a second, otherwise it will look messy and we will not be able to focus on code. Now, um, okay, this is the catch block. We are just logging the console. We can say some strings over here. Let's just add the comma. Response while checking availability. This RC image with this RC source map data.json. This is not the data, I guess. Why it's get reloaded, I don't know. Oh, okay. Oh, there was the data, but it got reloaded. How to stop it from reloading? Hmm. Why it's reloading? Okay, I got it. I got it. It's happening because this is a button, but not of type submit. Type submit and copy. No, should be cut. And instead of action, we should say on submit. Uh-oh. Also, we need to, and this is not on click, on submit. This is the function that should be running. Let's just check now. We need to see what's coming in the response. अरे यार, it gets okay. We need to check on submit react dot form event handler. Control C, E dot. Okay, what we have written here, react dot form event html form element promise void is not assignable to type form event html. Oh, basically this is not assignable, so just remove this now. Now what? Form event handler, type of parameter e and event are incompatible. Type form event, oh, form event handler is not assignable to form event handler. Why? Type form event is not assignable to form event handler. Type form event provides no match event. Do we need to tell it event? No, it didn't work. Mm, what we can do is we can do this. We can call this function, and this is also expecting the e thing. Also, let's just check what is the type of this react dot form event. So let's just say react dot form event, and this handler should not be here. I think error should go away. Yeah, it also we need to prevent default that's causing the reload. We should call the function. Let's just save this, click this. It should not reload now. Yeah, can you see that? Okay. What is the config data headers? Status is 200. So this is inside what? No, data is here. Data dot success message unavailable. We can just say response dot status to get this. Okay, route is available. Here it is. So what we will do is like um, we will check if response. Oh, we don't have access to response here. What I'm doing? The access is here. If response dot data status equals 500. This is the 500. Now we are sending 500. Otherwise we are sending 200. 500. We will say no. We have to make it a block because we have to return also. So we will say we will just copy this. Go to tab mode, visual mode, 0, yoink, visual mode, do this, paste. What happened? What happened? Oh, okay. Now we need to return this. We will not do anything. return. Otherwise, if no, what we can do here is we can also say and, no, or response dot data dot success is equals to false. What's the error here? There is the error. Oh, this is the error. We will solve it later. If no, we don't need to do this. We can simply do this. If response.data.success is equals to false, we will do this. And also, what we can do is we can do set is available false, and set is available false. And here what we need to do, like mm, we need to set is available true, and if this is true, okay, is available, and there is a on change handle change, yeah, on change set is available false. I will tell you why we are doing this. And this is set to true. Also, let's just use this is available on the button itself. So to do that, mm, this button will only be visible, but there is no on click function. Nah, the click function is coming from here. So we have to implement the logic here only. Set available becomes true, and we returns this. If user clicks it again, we will check if is available true. We will bypass this and we will dispatch it. Is that cool? I guess this is a cool way. Yeah. So you know what I am talking about is like this check button will become submit or change. Okay. So what happens is, um, let me show you what I am up to. Um, this try catch block will already run if is available equals false. Okay, there is this block, and this block covers the whole try catch block. Otherwise, else we will dispatch the change. So, and is available has to be used here. This class name has to be dynamic, and for you guys we will use string literals. Obviously there are some errors. This error will go in a minute. Okay, this should go. Now what we need to do is, mm, first of all, this has to be conditional. This has to be conditional, and it will check for is available is true. Okay, is available, uh, is available true, then it will say change, or maybe submit is more preferable, submit. And otherwise we will say check. Yeah, is that cool? Let's just save this and check it. See, it becomes submit. Now when user clicks on this, or otherwise if he changes anything, it will also become check. Exactly, and if he tries to do this, this will become disabled. Once user checks and the response is okay, or like is available, then it will become submit, and user when re-clicks it, it will go to this else block, because is available is not false. Yeah, now here we will dispatch the event to change the input value here to actual database, and we will save it there. Now what to do to save this? We are on a, this should be done at the last. If I guys show you, if I do this, and like if I check this, see, it's not letting me check. If I do this, obviously it becomes submit. If I now click this, it will closes it after all the operations has been completed. This line is closing this. Okay, here we have to change it. To change it, we should first delete this, because I was trying it here to do that with asynchronous thing, but we don't need it actually. Okay, let's first go to the insert mode, have some space. Now what we have to do is, we have to um update in the DB. To do that, we have a route over here, and we can just close this route because we don't need it anymore. Also, we are consoling this, we can just delete this because we are not getting any errors. Delete. Is there any more consoles? We can also delete this. Okay, there are no consoles anymore. Just save, just close this, and open that upload route, or maybe update route is more cool. So what we are doing in this route is, this is the catch block which expands till last of it, I guess. Yeah, it is. And here we are checking the type. So basically whenever we will call this function, we have to send a type index will be 0 if we doesn't say sends it, and type we have to send it for sure, because then only we will be able to if it, like type is equals to update dot we are updating project, or we are updating, like if I show you, if we are updating work experience, if we are updating our hero section, that is profile, so we will send we are updating route name. Yeah, to do that we will add a function or another enumerators, that we are changing update dot route name. Yeah, route name is equals to, just add any random variable or string, sorry, route name, changing the route name. Okay, this will not be displayed anywhere, it's just for checking, changing the route name. Now let's just save this and say, where is this updated profile? This is the last update we are doing now. This is getting closed here, and we need to create a else if block here. Else if, yeah, inside this we will say if type is equals to update dot what we just created this route name. Okay, then what we will be doing is, I guess DB would have been connected. No, we have to connect it. Okay, now we are expecting to have something. This is the line 127. Let's just go to GG and see. We have to send route name, the data as a string, and the type. We will be sending three things. Route name will be the previous route name, data will be the changed route name, and type will be update dot this thing route name. Okay, so route name. Also, to let you know, we have to update the route name on two places. First is, that is in portfolio model, that is public to everyone, and also to the user model, that is a little bit tricky, not that much. We will be able to do it. First, what we need to check, mm, if there is no data, it will send data is required. That is cool. That is, we will have this for sure. Type is also required, and we have to send it like this, update type. So let's just do this here. How to do this? mm, const response equals const response is equals to mm, hey, we don't need this update route name async. Maybe we should do this. Okay, what will this do? This will await and axios dot post route, obviously, that is API slash, what is that, API slash update. Sorry for the spelling, otherwise it will not work. Update is that thing, API slash update. Okay, now we need to pass here the data. So as we have done it earlier, const form data is equals to new form data, and then here we will say form data dot append. On strings we have to say update, sorry, what happened, route name. Okay, we send the data type. We need to also form data dot append, what we need to send, route name. Route name. Am I not live? What happened? I am. Oh, YouTube is not receiving. Okay, whatever. um what I was doing. Okay, route name is not correct. Name. Oh man, name. And here we have to give the name. That would be portfolio slice dot, obviously, route name. What happened? um yeah, we need comma. This is a string. This is also the string. And what else do we need to send? We need to send the form data dot append. We need to send the data now. Data, data, comma, data will be your changed route name. CHAN, changed route name. Okay, and at last, let's just for now console dot log this response. Also, let's just add some strings so that we know from where it is logging the things. From update route name async. Okay, okay, from update route name async. uh, this is cool. Now response update post. Oh, we need to pass it form data. Yeah, we have sent it. Is everything correct? Dispatch. We will dispatch, but not right now. Let's just save this. Save this. And are we ready to save this? No, we have not implemented our code. Let's just come to the insert mode. What we need to check first is it first just close this type is equals to yeah, this and this. It will ease the way. Now handling profile updates. This is the data. Yeah, we are sending it correct. Data as a string. Update type as a string. Route name as a string. Okay, if uh, update type data would have been there for sure. Route name would be there because we are sending it. Route name, update type is also there, no issues. So what we can do is try catch is already there, just await db connect, call the db, and first of all const mm, what we need to do, we will check availability again. Check availability, availability is equals to um portfolio model. No, what we need is mm, yeah, portfolio model dot find mm, how do we use that functionality to do the await thing later? Whatever, we will do this. Route name. Okay, this is cool. We have sent this. This would be a promise. Check availability is declared. Portfolio model. And no, we have to send the data data dot trim. What happened? Can't we trim that? Data is of type string na. Then why can't we do that? Maybe const um, new route name is equals to data dot trim. We can pass this. Oh, I got you. What was the issue? So we need to do this. Route name data dot trim. Just delete this, we don't need that. Now this would be a promise, and if we do this, await executability is declared. Okay, this will be a document or maybe nil. If check availability, um, like this should be nil. If check availability, like there is something, then we will return it. Return next response dot json, and what we will say, json, we will say success false, comma message message route name is not available. Also, we have to send the status, not like this. Status should be 200, and otherwise we will do the rest of the operations. And now it is not available, so what we need to do, mm, we will do one thing. um, we also need to delete the cache, but cache can be deleted. mm, let's just delete this, or maybe redis dot delete route name. Oh, this should not be the string. Oh, what I'm doing. Yeah, it will not block because we don't need to look for it. And also we deleted the cache thing. Now const update portfolio is equals to await, um can we send two requests simultaneously? I guess not. Await portfolio model dot find one and update, find one and delete, find one and update. We will find it by the route name, that would be like this only. And we will say route name will be data dot trim. Is that cool? Update portfolio is declared but its value is never read. And also const update user user update user is equals to await user model dot find one and update. How will we find it? mm, we will find it by the username equals route name, and username should become data dot trim. Though we are doing this again and again, trim the data. Can I do that? Because we are calling same function and again. Trimmed data, or maybe const new route name is equals to data dot trim, copy, paste, paste, paste. This is also increasing the readability. Oh, oh, this is for checking now. That's cool. We are finding it by the route name and setting this. Let's just ask the someone export is this cool. Copy. Let's just go to the our big bro. I'm just being unsure. Is it copied? What happening? Come on, reload. There are few potential improvements and clarification to consider. Check availability logic. The check availability logic checking should confirm if there are any results founding by evaluating its length or existence properly. MongoDB empty array is truthy. So if checking ability will always return true. Okay, error handling, try catch block. We don't need that cache. Ensure route name has the correct value when deleting from the avoid potential inconsistency. It might be more appropriate to use different status code 40 name is not available. Ensure that route name and new route name are properly sanitized to avoid potential injection issues. Okay, new route name data dot connect. Yeah, we should done this. Mm, let's just backspace paste dot length greater than 0. Oh no. Um, greater than 0. What if it's 0? No, length can't be 0, no? It would be 1. Okay, that's cool. Also, already start delete. Update the portfolio and user detail. Await update portfolio, find one and update route name. It is correct. Update user, you find one and update username route new route name. Okay, I guess he is doing correctly. I think everything is good and on place. I just want to remove try catch block because parent block has try catch. Also optimize the code to reduce the compute time. Hmm. Checkability using countdown for optimized performance. Count documents. Yeah, can you see that? There is a new function or method which will be good. Is route name taken? Reduce the delete. Yeah, I was talking about this. Promise dot all. Can you see that? This is so good. Let's just copy this and this is it now. From here to here. No, from here. What we did? We did nothing wrong. Performs both updates concurrently for efficiency. Okay. Hmm. Okay. This is cool. This is the good thing that it did. Now route name is not available. 200 success true. Let's just do this. If success is equals to true, let's just save this. Come here and like, can we try? It's reloading. What's happening? Oh. Type error can't read properties of undefined reading user. Where are you reading user? Hmm. The server responded with a error code 404. If what's happening when I like add some comments and save this? Okay, okay, there is the error. Runtime error. Portfolio slices changed. Okay, so maybe we need to fix this. What is the error? Type error. Can't read properties of user. Let's come here and see where it is saying user. There is user. Oh, we are not dispatching anything. Hmm, void. Uh, where is this user coming from? I have no idea. Hmm, is there any user over here? Let's just search this. Hmm, not like this. There is no user. Mm, let's just go to the search mode. There is no user. Hmm? What's happening? Maybe in this. Oh, only one. Mm, so user use fetch. What this fetch is doing? This is setting the mode, dark theme and all. There is no problem with that. This is the sidebar. Oh, handle change route name. We should delete this. We can just dd to delete, and we should have called sidebar over here somewhere, na? Um, there is a sidebar. This is the server prompt. Change route name. Okay, this is inside. Change route name is here. There are two functions. Handle change route name. Where is user? Where is this error coming from? I'm not able to track it down. Ikma script. Okay, something related to. Mm, do we need to? I guess this is the error. I guess I need to return something. Maybe update route name. Synchronous. This has to. Mm, maybe. What is this? Oh, there is no error. If we save this, come on. It didn't compile even. I don't know what's the error age. What could be the error? Hmm, what's happening inside network tag? There has to be some initials, na? Uh, console was using link preloaded, not used within few seconds. Hmm, I think I should try restarting the server by deleting the dish folder. Control C. Yeah, CLS. Let's just first delete this next thing. Hmm, move to recycle bin. I hope this would not call. Okay, it is deleted. Now we will go here. We will tell it to npm run dev environment will run. Okay, what I'm opening. Hmm, compiling, but it's not sending. Ah, these issues, man. This is ready in 3.5 seconds. Just reload this. This is compiling. This is taking too much time. I guess because I deleted the next dist folder. Come on. It is compiled. Again, there are same problems. What's the error? Out of date. What? src app models user.ts. Oh, it's because of this. Hmm, where we called it. Maybe this. Let's just make it big. What? Why? Let's just go where in models a user model. I got it. What is the issue here? So basically, I have solved this problem earlier. This is it. Let's just close this schema thing and also this. Okay, we have to do something like this, then only it will get fixed. So let's just make a let variable. Its name would be, first of all, let's just comment this out. User model. Okay, this will be model which will come from mongoose, and this will have a type that is of user. Also here we will have a try catch block. try catch. Okay, inside this we will say user model is equals to mongoose dot model. I have asked about this error, but no one replied on Twitter. I found this for working, like searching for 2 days straight. I was so disturbed by that. Maybe user is exported. Username is also there. Username, and this is like portfolio. So we will say user. Otherwise, this is the same thing. Copy. But if it doesn't finds in its model, then we are passing a second argument, that is user schema. Can you see that? If I save this now, I guess this should solve my problem. Did it compiled? No. Should I? Can you see that? Oh man. Someone who didn't solve this problem earlier would be like so worried. Ah, yeah. I should make, oh, get next image compiled error. Oh, it's because it's not able to find. So my next video will be on this topic, like to solve this issue. Okay, because literally if you haven't solved this problem, you will not be able to solve this. This is the way how you solve it. Is everything good? I guess then we will also have here to update. I want to see the response, because what we are doing in the slice option, we are just returning after logging it. So what happened? What happened? Let's just close portfolio and route. I guess my internet is not happy. Okay, I'm live back. Okay, so let's just check the availability. This is available. Yeah, we are not showing the torch for now, but we will be showing it. If I submit this, are we getting anything? Maybe here. Uh, what's happening? Check availability sessions. Oh, because I just did this without calling the dispatch thing. So let's just call this dispatch. Its name is update route name async. This takes a single thing, that is changed route name. Changed route name would be route name. Okay, let's just save this. Let's just clear this out. Let's just click here, check for obviously, check, submit, check. We got the data, and what this data is telling, um, see, route name updated successfully, and also we have success true and status 200. And if my computer allows, I will show you in the database that it would have been changed from obviously Ankush to only obviously. If that's the case, then we will implement the rest of the features like showing the toast messages and redirecting to this. Yeah, and also we have cleared the cache from the Redis upstairs server. But for now, let's just check it has really updated or not. Otherwise, we will have to look through the loopholes. Yeah, you can see that it has been changed in my first document, which is the test document we were checking, and this is the user. And here also you can see that obviously it's been changed, and the created, updated at is the recent time, that is 24/11/16 T10. You can convert this in our GMT, 5 plus 30. But for now, we did it. It's updated in the database. Now, do we have access that how much time did it take to check maybe performance? Uh-oh, no, it's just for the UI part. CLS, cumulative layout shift. Okay, just leave that because it is in development. It doesn't matter at all. In production, it becomes good. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to just redirect the user to obviously, and everything would be all right. But also here is the dispatch thing happened, and we also need to show something like, mm, we need to go to the this mode, and we will say if response dot data dot um, data dot success, then we will say dispatch set toast message redux. This is a function, so we will call, and it receives two parameters. First is message would be route name has been updated, route, come on, route name has been updated. Okay, also we need to pass this type, which would be string and message. Yeah, and otherwise, um, what we need to do, we don't need to do this, it will take care of it. Else, can we just copy this? So come to this mode, zero visual modes, this, yoink, down, paste. Also, this has to be the, oh come on, mm, 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 mm. How I come here? This has to be the error now. error, and we will say error updating, um, error updating route name. So user will understand that something is changed. But when we are dispatching it here, we should await for it. Yeah, because we have to redirect now. How will we redirect? We will return a object, sorry, redirect true, return redirect true, otherwise return redirect false. I hope, yeah, it took the thing on its own. Redirect true, redirect false. Okay, if it is this, then we will redirect this, and also else. If it comes in else, then also this will run. So we will just save this. We will come here. We would like to await this and store this in a variable const um, const result, and what we say here is, let's just see what's inside result dot payload, obviously. So instead of doing this, what we can do is we can just destructure their payload. Let's just decrease the indentation, and what we will say here is if um like if payload dot redirect, oh, we don't have access to it, is sure. So we need to say as object redirect boolean, that is boolean. And what has happened to my YouTube stream? Am I live or not? I don't know. If anyone is watching, please let me know. Concurrent viewers. Let's just reload this. There are some errors. We will fix it. No worries. Hey, is anyone watching? Please tell me. That would be good. Chat rate, whatever. what I was doing, uh, as redirect payload as redirect boolean dot redirect. If it is true, then we will again we need to like router dot push next router, next navigation होता है ना वो. Is this same? We need to make its variable over here. We will say const. Wait, guys. Okay, I think I took more than 2 seconds, but that's okay. Const router equals no use router. Um, is there something? What is there up? What is up there? Use router is from next navigation, and we don't need this. Uh, we are not using it, yeah. Let's just delete this from event handler. Hmm. Whose path name? Let's come to here. Use router. Okay, that's up there. And what we need to do is that is true router dot push push to slash. Obviously that has to be string literals. Hmm. What should we do here? It should be route name dot trim. Is that cool? Yeah, because it's searching for this. Okay, it's working completely fine. We are able to change it. See, it's changed here too. And let's just try doing Ankush check submit. Route name has been updated. It didn't redirected us. Why? Redirect navbar tsx 405. Oh, what it says. Type error content properties of undefined reading redirect and handle check route. 4 4. What is this 4 4? Is this 4 4? This is 4 4. Hmm. So is there any spelling errors? payload, can we say here as redirect boolean? No. Boolean is declared, but its value is never read. Does not exist on type unknown. Bro, did not we defined it? Mm, how to solve this issue? Mm, hello, sorry for the network issues. Okay, so I need to think that how we can retrieve the value, as we need to access this redirect. Come on, let me copy. Ah, this is the most irritating part. Copy whatever the issue to you have. Just wait. This is the thunk, and what's copy, and this is how we are using this, but unable to access the redirect from unknown. Your code seems mostly well structured, but there are a couple of improvements required and clarification needed to properly access and use the redirect property from the thunk payload. Here are the key adjustments as explanations. TypeScript typing. Ensure TypeScript correctly understands the structure of your payload to access portfolio. Modify the thunk return type or cast it appropriately when accessing properties. Revised thunk. Okay, get state dispatch. There is nothing much changed. Portfolio slash get slice get state, sorry, data. This is just sending it response.data. Success. Route name has been. Okay, he added a try catch method. Now is available is equals to false, else payload, that is the same. Let's just go here and just delete this, paste this. There is no error at all. save this, come here. Did we missed anything? Then also we will copy this and just check route name, just close this, select it all, delete this and paste it here. Save this. The only thing that matters is it should work, nothing else. Obviously check availability, submit, route name has been submitted. Okay, it redirected. That's completely fine. Oh, we didn't updated that. Why? Okay, let's just try logging. Okay, so inside the obviously function, just want to check route name is obviously. Then so why the hell it's not like updating things? Why it's showing still obviously Ankush? That I need to fix. If it is redirecting, then it should save the value, na? Okay, it's fixed now. But we error updating route name. Why then allowed it? It says obviously Ankush. There are a lot of things going on. Can you see? This might be the issue. It's not re-rendering the component. Then what should we do? Uh, Maybe we need access to both of them. Then we can debug this components. Let's just go to the nav bar. 447 it's now. Nav bar. Where it is? Can you see? I'm unable to find it. Uh, oh, this is we're inside it. This is hero portfolio. It should be above it. This is gr close. Uh, it should be somewhere here. Provider, not there. Era. This is it. Mm, and inside this, what we have? Obviously, it's not like fully uploading things. I need to hard refresh. Router dot thing is not working. Like, see, can you see? This is obviously Ankush. It's not sending all the informations again. Like, I want a hard refresh. So to do that, maybe uh, let's just comment it out. Window dot href is a thing. Windows dot. Okay, let's just go to the chat GPT and tell him that. See. Oh, obviously Ankush has nothing. That's crazy. And it is obviously there are issues I need to solve. First, tell him I don't want router dot push. I want um hard refresh while redirecting to new path name. So let's just see what it tells us. I think windows.href would be cooler. Yeah. So I forgot that windows.href exists inside location. So we cannot actually like do this. We have to first window dot location is the thing dot href. Here we have access to the href is equals to what we can say uh is this is it, copy, and we can just use it here and it will solve all our problems including the hard refresh thing. If I show you now, um can you see? I know you can't, but you will in a minute. Let it just reload it. Now see the path name. We are in obviously Ankush. See the database. There is obviously Ankush. Let me show you the upstash. We are in, oh, there are some issues. Let's just delete this. Okay, see, this is the obviously Ankush, and here also you can see the route name is like same. Okay, let's try changing the route name for once to check the efficiency. Let's first check. I will add the toast message on checking also, and here you can say status text is okay. Let's just try submitting it. Route name has been updated. It redirects us to the obviously Ankush thing, and here let's go to the components and search for the navbar thing. Where is navbar? I think they should add a functionality in here. See, now there should be no possible errors. We have completed all edge cases, and here we complete our milestone. So that's for today, and before ending the stream I would also cover a edge case where I have to show a what a toast message when set available is set to true. Where is set available? Here. So what we will do is we will dispatch a thing, dispatch, and we will say set toast message redux, and it requires two parameters. First is message. We will say like um, route name is available. No, not here. We need to mm, we need to show it somewhere else. Like we will create a span tag and we will show it here. So to do that, we are not using it anymore. Let's just clear it out because it will increase our import size in the file. And let's just create a new state variable const message maybe. This will be a use state. So we will say not like that, obviously. uh, this, and there will be a function that is of dispatch type, and this would be set messages. This would be camel case messages. This is a state, as I said earlier, use state from the React, and we will set its default value as empty string. Okay, so that we don't want to render it on the first render. When user checks and there is a message from the server, then only this will be called. Now what we need to do is we need to pass this message to this span tag. Okay, though we have passed it, we also need to set it. To set it, wherever we are setting it true, just above it or beneath it, we can say set message. Not like that, set message. The message should be route, not this, sorry, route name is available. Let's just save this and let me show you what I was talking about. If I check, obviously not, because this is taken. See, route name is available. It says we can try submitting it, but we will not submit it. We are doing it for the testing purposes. If we check, okay. Now if user changes, we also need to set it to the back state, which is a empty string. To do that, where we are setting is available here, also while changing on change. So set message, set messages to the empty string as earlier. What we'll do in the component, let's just re-render this. If I like, we check this, it says available. If I change it again, it will be disappeared, so that it is ready to receive the next messages that will be given to it. Okay, can you see that? Now only thing is it's a styling that we can do in matter of times. Class name, let's just say text sm, and it, and we should be good to go. uh, Check. Okay, also we should set it set its what, set its color. So text green would be cool, but we are using tailwind utilities, so it should be something like this. Okay, this is more cooler, but we have to also add some margin so that it looks engaging and cooler. So margin top would be 12 pixels, I think would be more than enough. It is correct. We can also add we can also add what, message dot concat Do we have tick? uh, okay, मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज. It's a hand gesture ना. Hmm, don't we have it? I guess we should have it here somewhere. Yeah, can you see that? So this is fixed for now. Let's add some more space. I think it's unable to add the spaces. Yeah, route name is available. What if route name is not available? Then also we need to show the messages, na? So if route name is not available, set is available false, and we will say set message, set message. Hmm. Array, we don't need to concat. You know what we can do, because it will concat every time. We can do this here only. This, and where was route name is not available. But 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 there are two things. If it is an internal server error, we cannot say that route name is not available. We have to do something else. So for that, we will separate it out. Response.status dot. So what we will do, mm, if response dot status is equals to 500, that is internal server error, then we will say dispatch set toast message. The message would be internal server error, and it should also receive a type which would be error. Okay, also we need to return it, otherwise it will keep checking all the if conditions. Return, and here we can say route name is not available. Okay, like, um, do we have any route name like Manya? Let's try. Let's just clear this what I am typing. Check route name is error checking availability. Route name is not available. So where is this coming from? This might be coming from the slices. Ensure correct type, ensure correct type. Uh, let's just see what was the message again. Route name is not available. This should be red. Yeah, check error checking availability. Error checking availability. So where is this coming from? Error checking availability. It's not here. Error checking availability. It should be here only. Where is set messages are called error checking availability? Oh, it's called here. This means it is not error checking availability. So we don't need to do this. We can just simply delete this, save this and check this. Is it making requests every time I'm clicking? Yeah. Okay. Uh, what should I do next? Should I end the stream? Or we can say, okay, I need to take this call. Hello. So sorry for the network issues, guys. I'm back. And what we were doing here is we were trying to update in the database. Let's try checking some another names like this. If it works, it will save it in the database. Okay, it is available. Now let's just try submitting it. Okay, route name has been, थोड़ा 10 सेकंड का डिले है. हुआ. Okay, let's just go to the code and what we are doing. Hmm. Okay, Redux theme system, and also there has to be a function. Okay, this is the variable which is holding the all the data. We need to mute है क्या? Okay, so we have completely um, taken care of all the edge cases. Now we can try fixing this UI. To fix this UI, we will track down the component that is sidebar. It is here, light dark, and what we can do here is um, let's just dim it, like on hover it will not become so much. To let's just go to the insert mode, and not here, it's here, this thing bg grace. Instead of doing this bg grace, let's just add multi cursor functionalities, and let's just say gray 600. Let's just save this. Can you see it's dim now? It looks more appealing. And what if we are on the bigger screens? Okay, we need to fix this too, because this is like for the navigation makes to keep justify walking, and also for the bigger screens. Where is bigger screens? User details. Wait a second. uh, for bigger screens there has to be something na. Sidebar, oh, that is for sidebar, it would be here. So profile. Okay, this is the thing, we need to also change it here. Do we need here? Yes, we need it. Let's just change it to gray 600. um, this was the color we were looking for. Okay, now this looks cool. Let's try adding experience. Like suppose I have a project named Dossier, and sorry, job title, so suppose it is SDE2 and company name is like google.com, and location is suppose वाराणसी. obviously वाराणसी में कुछ नहीं है, नोएडा डालते हैं. नोएडा. what the fuck I'm doing? Noida. Suppose I'm working at Google since 2013 January 10. Okay, end date. If I'm not giving any date, then it will take like present as the working. And let's add worked for more than more than worked on many many projects, and made leadership leadership reach a good stage. Let's just try saving this. Add experience. See, updated experience successfully. Oh, I need to fix this. See, here is a card. Now we can also edit this. And suppose you want to edit this thing, you can come and edit this. Like you can choose another photo, or you can update this. You can also like add what things you have used, like HTML if you have used making this project, HTML. And now if I save this, it will like see HTML has been added. So I will make revamps in the UI. It will look more good in the future, and also I will try to fix my landing page in night, maybe at 10. So that's for the stream. And is there anything I'm missing? Okay, we found an error. Let's go to the experience sections. Here it is. In experience, set toast message. So let's search for did I clicked it? Set toast, TOAST, toast message. I think I will not get it. Oh, so what I need to do is I need to go to here, and I have to look for a async thunk, update existing project, update experience async. We need to search for this. This is here. This is it. No, this is add case. Na, we have to make changes here only. Okay, where are dispatches are called? Okay, these are the dispatches that has been called. We need to fix the spelling here. Successfully. Now it is correct. Now where more it is? Nowhere. So we would just close this, and we would say if have successfully spelling is correct. I think that was the only place where spelling was not good. Okay, let's just save this. And okay, that's perfectly fine. Let's just try moving to light mode. Yeah. Oh, this is not cool. On light mode, this becomes very bad. To fix that, we will come to the nav bar and we will say like these things will be on the darker mode when it is dark, and also when it is like normal then hover, and bg would be, you can say theme maybe. No, theme is already there na. Maybe this bg theme dark. Let's see. Oh wow, that's cool. Okay, okay, so that's for the today. See you at 10. Bye bye.